നമ്മൾ കീവേഡുകളെ പറ്റിയാണ് പറയുന്നത്. ഇംഗ്ലീഷും മലയാളം എല്ലാം മിക്സ്ഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളൊരു വീഡിയോ. കീവേഡ് സെർച്ച് വോളിയം is the inserting a dealing overload. Keyword search volume insert a details show you we identify to top keyword. You want the to incorporate into your content. Which ones offer the most backing for back show to speak. You can find out the by analysis keyword search volume. Keyword search engine figure out what site's content is about. Keyword search volume can help you assess the farhan-digtal traffic. The specific keywords will graduate with this data-driven insights. You can target your context range to drive even more the target traffic your site. Search volume is of the fundamentals of keyword research. The want to learn about the relevant keywords for rebalancing and composition tools. You can use the valuable context to help you choose the right keywords to target. Key takeaways. Keyword search volume helps you relevant user interesting and farhan-digtal traffic. However, leveraging search volume effectively requires also analyze keyword relevance and combo tools like semrush, ahrefs, and Google Keyword Planner help you research search volume to reform your SEO strongest keywords to offer constant research volume. Your round of will functionally keyword factually based on specific events research of and whole days. Interacting keywords research volume and traffic performance of consenting is essential to optimize your content and keep a competitive edge of in research engine rankings. What is the keyword research volume? So what is the keyword research volume? It is the average number of time as keywords is searched for within a traffic time frame, such as a month or year. This can help you access its popularity. And the farhan-digtal is the boarding traffic to your site. Whether you have identified content topic or planning a company, as you can imagine, search volume can change the best contracts. Recent events to the screenshots post of other factors, which may be forensics or not. Keep in mind of the keywords within a high research volume are more competitive, so it can be harder to ranking for them. However, a high research volume is the relative depending on the context. Selling cyber security software, the combat landscape is the much harder than if you are providing a very specific manufacturing company. Understanding the keyword search volume can help you choose the right keyword for your target audience and ensure your SEO stronging is always on point. Evergreen vs functional keywords. Keywords research volume can facultative or type. Although some keywords remain popular, these are the called evergreen keywords because this always relevant on matter. What's functional it is the or what is else is the happening is in the world. Some explain of evergreen keyword make including how to lose weight or best credit card because they provide the consolidating traffic. They are useful for long time content and SEO strongness. Essential keywords. On the other hand, how high search volume at the traffic time of the year or during vertical events such as holidays or the beginning of the school or explanation meet, including Christmas gift ideas or back to school sales. You can use those keywords to capitalize on essential trends, increasing the visibility or your website and attracting more traffic during this period. Why is the keyword research volume improvement? If your keyword strong is the already pretty attractive, you may be asking yourself, you really need brothers with the analysis keyword research volume. But there are some very good reasons for you to pay attention to it. It will help you go users instead and time farhan-digtal traffic. High research volume can help you attract more visitors. Keyword search volume can help you guide your context strong by uncovering popular and employing topics that is your audience is interesting. For PPC companies, the higher volume keywords can cost more per click, but the traffic and business the boring. In can justify the investing. Lower volume keywords may not get the much traffic, but for that are super relevant for your niche. This use that is to search for that correlate the idea customers. For you, term keywords research volume over time can help you keep up with trends and change in customer performance, so you can adjust your strong to minimum or increase traffic. A strong make of high volume and low search volume keywords to target explanation your site visible across a range of research and user. What is the good keyword of research volume? The answer to the question is it is depending us with many things in SEO and context. It is or relative a good keyword research volume for your business deployments on your identity, your goals and buyers or faculty. However, in generally a good keyword research volume is the enough to boring relevant traffic to your site of but the not a high that is it is make ranking for it is extremely difficult. Larger websites with high authority make target keywords with extremely high search volume because this can complete for the effectively for similar or news website or website in niche interests that is strong will not be as effectively. A better strong for this similar website would be to research lower volume keywords with low competitive. These are often long tail keywords which are more the traffic and larger purchase which the areas to ranking for, and because the often intercasting your inside more visible. The many research in more conventions. Identically a good keywords research volume is high enough to boring, meaningful traffic and low enough to be practical attract.